Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add border to text or stroke like in Photoshop. So don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to try Canva Pro for free, I will leave a link in the description. So first of all, log in into your Canva account. Then let's add text. So this is our text. Let's change the background. Say black. And let's change the color of our font to, let's say, white, just for example. Now to add borders, click on effects and choose this one, outline, and you can change the color of the border. You can make it red, as you can see, blue, green, and you can change the thickness here. As you can see, you can play with it however you want. So I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.